Hey guys, my name is Anna Marie, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add presets to Adobe Lightroom in just a few easy steps. First, open Adobe Lightroom. Second, make sure you're in the editing section of the app. Navigate to the bottom right-hand corner and click Presets. Then, in the top right-hand corner, click the three dots to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Import Preset. Navigate to where you have your presets saved on your computer and click Import. And that's it. If you guys are interested in a free preset, you can find one on Project Innovate. You can either click the link in the description down below or navigate to projectinnovate.com and locate the blog post called Bracketing Photography Tutorial. In this wonderful tutorial post, the user kindly shares an exclusive preset. Click the link in the post to download the free Lightroom preset. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below on any other content you'd like to see. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys all next time.